watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and booking category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and very attractive attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that have been applied years to enjoy your stay. Takes review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Today, accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Stay happy.